Hello and welcome to our channel, Smart Studies. In this video we will discuss an important topic of plant pathology, fungicides. Guys, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So, let's start.
Fungicides. Definition. The word fungicide originated from two Latin words, viz., fungus, and keto. The word keto means to kill. Thus the fungicide is any agency chemical which has the ability to kill the fungus. According to this meaning, physical agents like ultraviolet light and heat should also be considered as fungicides. In short, fungicide is chemicals which is capable of killing. Characters of an ideal fungicide. 1. It should have low phytotoxicity. 2. It should have long shelf life. 3. Stability during dilution. 4. It should be less toxic to human being, cattle, earthworms, microorganisms, etc. 5. It should be a broad spectrum in its action. 6. Fungicide preparation should be ready for use. 7. It should have compatibility with other agrochemicals. 8. It must be cheaper. 1. 9. It should be available in different formulations. Classification of fungicides. 1. Systemic fungicide equals the fungitoxic compounds that control a fungal pathogen from the point of application is called systemic fungicide. Examples: carboxin, oxycarboxin, etc. 2. Non-systemic fungicide equals the fungicide which kill or eradicate the fungus at the points of application is called non-synthetic fungicide. Examples: mancozeb, etc. Fungicides can be broadly grouped based on their 1. Mode of action, 2. General use, and 3. Chemical composition. 1. Based on mode of action. A protectant equals, as the name suggests, protectant fungicides are prophylactic in their behavior. Fungicide, which is effective only if applied prior to fungal infection, is called a protectant. Ag. Zineb, sulfur. B. Therapeutant equals fungicide which is capable of eradicating a fungus after it has caused infection and thereby curing the plant, is called chemotherapeutant. Ag. Carboxin, oxycarboxin. Antibiotics like coriafungin. C. Eradicant fungicide equals eradicant are those which remove pathogenic fungi from an infection court, area of the host around a propagating unit of a fungus, in which infection could possibly occur. Ag. Organic mercurials, lime, sulfur, didine, etc. These chemicals eradicate the dormant or active pathogen from the host. 2. Based on general uses, the fungicides can also be classified based on the nature of their use in managing the diseases. 1. Seed protectants, egg, captain, therum, organomercuries, carbendazim, carboxin, etc. 2. Soil fungicides, pre-plant, egg, Bordeaux mixture, copper oxychloride, chloropicrin, formaldehyde, vapum, etc. 3. Soil fungicides, egg, Bordeaux mixture, copper oxy, for growing plants, chloride, captain, PCNB, therum, etc. 4. Foliage and blossom, egg, captain, ferbum, zineb, protectants, mancozeb, chlorothalonil, etc. 5. Fruit protectants, egg, captain, maneb, carbendazim, mancozeb, etc. 6. Eradicants, egg, organomercurials, lime, sulfur, etc. 7. Tree wound dressers, egg, Barreau paste, chaubacha paste, etc. 8. Antibiotics, egg, actinium, griseofulvin, streptomycin, streptocycline, etc. 9. General purpose spray and dust formulations. 3. Based on chemical composition. Based on chemical composition, the fungicides can be broadly grouped. They are 1. Copper fungicides, 1. Sulfur fungicides, and 3. Mercury fungicide. 5. Copper fungicides. A. The fungicidal action of copper was mentioned as early as 1807 by Prevost against wheat bun disease, Delicia caries. B. But its large-scale use as a fungicide started in 1885, after the discovery of Bordeaux mixture by Millardin in France. C. The mixture of copper sulfate and lime was effective in controlling downy mildew of grapevine, caused by Plasmaparva viticola, and later, late blight of potato, Phytophthora infestans. Some other copper sulfate preparations later developed were Bordeaux paste, Burgundy mixture, and chestnut compound, which are all very effectively used in the control of several plants. Sulfur fungicide. A use of sulfur in plant disease control is probably the oldest one and can be classified as inorganic sulfur and organic sulfur. B. Inorganic sulfur is used in the form of elemental sulfur or as lime sulfur. C. Elemental sulfur can be either used as dust or wettable sulfur, later being more widely used in plant disease control. D. Sulfur is best known for its effectiveness against powdery mildew of many plants, but also effective against certain rusts, leaf blights and fruit. Examples. Organic sulfur zineb mancozeb, etc. Inorganic sulfur 1. Sulfur dust elemental sulfur 2. Calcium polysulphide lime sulfur. Mercury fungicides. A. Mercury fungicides can be grouped as inorganic and organic mercury compounds. B. Both the groups are highly fungitoxic and were extensively used as seed treatment chemicals against seeds-borne diseases. C. Ignorance compounds show bactericidal property also. D. However, due to their residual toxicity in soil and plants, and their extreme toxicity nature to animal and human beings, the use of mercury fungicides is being discouraged. E. In most of the countries, the use of mercury fungicides is banned. Example. 1. Inorganic mercury fungicide Mercuric CHLORIDE trade name. Mercil. 2. Organic mercury fungicide methoxyethyl mercury CHLORIDE trade name Agalol, Aeroton.
धन्यवाद। कृपया इस वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके घंटे का बटन दबाएं।